How to display live screen with LED poster screen. If your computer doesn't have an HDMI port, you'll need an adapter. You can prepare an external camera. One, connecting the adapter to HDMI. If your computer has an HDMI port, you can connect it directly to your computer with HDMI. 2. Connect the camera to an adapter or computer. 3. Connect the other end of the HDMI to the HDMI port on the poster screen. Needs to be connected to the first poster screen. 4. Connect the adapter with everything connected to the computer. Just find the software on your computer that can display the external camera screen.